Hey there, this is Sugarcoder. In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to make delicious creamy coffee inspired by the Dalgona Coffee trend. I got this instant coffee from Safeway. So in a mixing bowl, I added 4 tablespoons of the instant coffee, 4 tablespoons of granulated sugar, and 4 tablespoons of hot water. You could cut this recipe by half, but I find that it is easier to blend if there are more ingredients. Then, I mixed it on the highest speed for about 2 to 3 minutes. You can definitely mix it by hand by using a whisk. However, I don't recommend it because you might actually end up hurting your wrist. So I mixed everything together until there were soft to stiff peaks. Then, I put it in a piping bag. You can definitely use this as frosting on top of cakes, cupcakes, or other desserts. So this is how I made the Dalgona coffee. In a glass cup, I poured hot milk, then I piped the creamy coffee mixture on top like this. And voila! Strong, rich, creamy coffee. If you like to drink coffee, you should definitely give this a try. And if you tried it before, let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching and have a sweet day.